Guys, welcome to another Minecraft video. This is my house and I don't know what happened to this thing just popped. I don't know what's this, but it's just pop on it. See? It's actually a flat world. But what the hell? This is just here. Nah, let's just go back. Let's wait for my brother to join. Let's wait for my brother to join at my world. Nice. Let's just do this here. Okay. This is not a map, guys. We're on the way. Okay, I'm gonna make you a short tour. This is the living room, table, cabinets, and a TV, light, paintings, and the chandelier. This is the kitchen, table where the people eat, and the furnace, and a cabinet again, furnace again, and the table. I don't know what they call this, just table, but it's not really like that. But this is early design for I just saw it on YouTube and I did for what's that. Okay, let's go in upstairs. The girl is still not joining. Oh, this is space of the staircase. The chandelier again, and this is my brother's room. The TV and lanterns. And this is the study area where the people study. But in Minecraft, I think the players will not study with this. And empty space. Comment it, guys, to what the typing is. Space. And sorry, I'm just lagging. Yeah, that's space. That lag. Okay, this is the I call this terrace. To see my brother's doing because every time he's putting a redstone everywhere and that place just appear in a flat world and I just update it to auto kill files it just appear. Yeah. Sorry for that lag, guys. Yeah. Hold on, stop lagging. Let's fly to that place. It's just infinite world, I think. Yeah, I'm right. It's an infinite world. It was so creepy. I'm doing. Shit. Yeah, with a Dead Sea. Really Dead Sea? It's really look like a world. It really look like the earth. See guys? When you walk to it, it look like the world. I mean the earth. Okay, back to the place. I think I'm lost. Maynard, what are you doing? Okay, back to the house. Time to sleep because it's already night. Stop lagging, come on. Shit. Space. Time to sleep, guys. Comment me below on that space. Come on, stop lagging. Morning. I like this paint. And my brother's still not joining. Let's just wait for him. I mean, join. I'm so lonely in my lovely world. I'm so lonely. Come on, join, please. Okay, there he is. Let's wait. Let's wait for a minute. Oh, where are you, Maynard? Oh, there he is. Maynard! Ah, my brother! Hi. See that? Follow me. Follow me. Hey. Hey, follow me. This just a fear. What happened? This just appear in this world. What's happened in this world? Where are you? Is this an island? No, it turns to infinite. Let's go back before we got lost. Come on, let's go back in our house. Oh my god, it's a tsunami! It's not a tsunami. There's no tsunami in Minecraft. Look, it's a tsunami! It's so stupid. It's a tsunami! Get up, it's a tsunami! Shut up! Get in the house, tsunami! Huh. Hey! You're bad. Oh God, there's a tsunami! Oh, tsunami! Hey! Did you open the door? Do you wanna have some? Do you wanna have a
Don't
pet?
know where me.
Want a pet?
Oh my god, look at mommy. It's real. It's
I want a pet. I just want a pet.
We don't know where me.
Come on, Daddy.
We don't
just
know
stay
where's me.
You're so cute. Sit.
We don't know where is me.
You're in your room. You wanna have a dog? Close the door.
You cannot see me.
Come on, stop doing that.
You can see me. Try to see me, you bitch.
Huh?
Try to see me.
I'm lagging, guys.
You're not see me. You're not see me. Because you're a fucker. You can see me. You bitch. Alam mo kung asan ako?
Yeah,
Saan?
you're outside.
No,
I
wala.
saw your name. There you go. So stupid. I saw you. You're in the water. I'm not stupid that you're expecting it. See? You're there. I really saw you. You're walking in the water. Hi. I'm just on your back. Huh. What a skin. It's not really finished. Stupid skin.
You can see me.
I saw you. You're in the water. And you're lagging.
You can see me, bitch. You see me?
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, that octopus. Where with that octopus? Where are you? Oh, there. No, I'm just waiting. I'm just wasting my time. Going back in the room. I mean, in the house. It's just a big waste of time.
I'm missing.
Okay, guys. Let's end this video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe in this channel. This is my first video, guys. Please subscribe and please comment me. So what do I do in this space? Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. And